Here we go, Ivan Mad Malakhov, and the mad doesn't stand for anything. That's what he calls himself.
Well,
and
that's what everyone calls him because of stuff like that. What was that?
Unbelievable. No one saw that takeoff, I'm sure, except for him.
It was so big, and he almost landed on a tree. Oh, this is psycho.
And he continues. That's the track of Connor Pelton, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right, that's right. Sending it
Lands
deep,
perfectly
stomping it. What a run.
Very classic Ivan Malakhov run.
Stop blowing my mind so much. Even makes an air out of the flat part somehow.
He's not a big fan of turns. He just
the top.
Straight line, and it's not that steep on the landing. That was pretty flat landing.
Yeah, I think he cleared some reverse tracks as well. Like if he hadn't gone as far, he would have been landing in flat, skied out, packed snow. Points at the helicopter, tells us that he's stoked. This guy, he's so nice as well. Such a crazy contrast that he's like the loveliest, most quiet, humble person to talk to, and he's a superstar in Russia. I went there to premiere the movie that we filmed in Russia last year, and he told people that it was a cool movie and we were good guys, so they should come, and it was packed. And I'm pretty sure it was only because of that. So thank you, Ivan. Thank you for the show today. That was incredible stuff. The fact that you teed off the top of that cliff and landed down there, how did you even scope that?
Exactly. He just... Oh, every time he blows the minds of everyone.
Hello. I'm crazy. Well done. Well done, Ivan. That was an absolute pleasure to watch. I could please do it again. Maybe I would like to see it some more.